Hello everyone, Nancy here with a Joyful Cottage. I'm standing in my master bathroom and yes, I'm in the middle of a renovation. I didn't expect it to happen, not this fast, but sometimes things just happen that we don't expect. So hang with me today and I'll show you what we've done so far. I want to start with a quick look at the master bathroom before we started the demolition. This will be a refresher for some of you, and for those who are new to my channel, this may be a first look at the before. While we're touring the room, I'll give you a little background on how this project came to be. I'm in a Bible study with some married couples, and the husband of one of the couples asked me if there was anything he could do to help me with my home. He and his wife have a Victorian home that he has renovated, so he has lots of home improvement experience. I told him I wanted to update my master bathroom, and he said, "Let's do it. Give me a call and I'll come over." So I called him, and he came over last Wednesday. I told him what I wanted to do, and he said, "Clear all the stuff out of the vanities while I go home and get my tools." And just like that, my master bath renovation was born.
First piece.
Hey.
What do you want me to do this time?
I'll take it.
Okay, so the question is, what I'm gonna have to do here. Okay, I should have brought my just gotta be careful not to get into the wires back here.
Cool. Wow.
Okay, so I need to cut this a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely got plastic pipes, which
Yeah.
we'll just have to deal with that when the time comes. Oops, got to do it on this side too. razor blade or something like that. So we can get that out. Seems like it should just come off back there, honestly. Get it off quickly. It wants to come off, but it doesn't want to break the wood.
I covered the mirrors with duct tape the night before. The mirrors are glued to the wall and the duct tape helps hold the glass together so that when the mirror is pulled off the wall, the glass doesn't shatter into a million pieces. After removing the mirror by myself in the guest bath, I swore I'd never do it again. Thankfully, I didn't have to. The adhesive they use to glue these mirrors to the wall is so strong, and it literally just pulls the vinyl covering on the walls right off the wall, as you can see on the left. So that was a big problem in the guest bath, because then I had to repair the wall, and yeah, I wasn't looking forward to ever doing that again. He came up with a great idea of using the cutting blade to slice through the portion of the mirror that he had pulled back, which he just took the mirror off in pieces, and that just seemed to work so much better than what I did in the guest bath. So sometimes it's just really nice to work with a person or watch a person do something so that you learn from their actions how to better do a project of your own in the future. Look.
We might, if I can save it, might be able to reuse this trim. It's cut properly already. This side.
It's okay.
Get quite rigid. It is too down without breaking it if possible. save that. We might pull that junk off of it. But...
Okay.
Okay. The bottom railing I wasn't worried about because I'll probably put a tile base or something around it.
Yeah. You're good. You're good. Don't worry.
You need a new light bulb.
It's okay. I don't plan on keeping those either.
You want it or not?
No.
I'm trying to see if this is attached on here. It's probably, where's it attached? Oh, it's just attached to these things. Don't want them?
No.
Yeah, that's all attached. Congressman, oh, this is a corner shoe. I don't want to tear that up. I don't need it.
I hope you enjoyed following along on the video, seeing what we've done so far with the project. I'm reminded in Ecclesiastes 4, starting with verse 9, 2 are better than 1 because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up. But pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up. And I'm so grateful and thankful that the Lord has brought Curtis along to help me with my project. He's really doing all the work. All I'm doing is just hauling the debris out to his truck. And I hope to be able to help him in some other ways as well. But it's just such a blessing to have someone offer to help. And it makes me want to keep in mind that I can do things to help others as well. Because when somebody helps you, it just kind of, I don't know, makes you want to help others, I guess. So thanks again for coming today and joining me. I hope that, like I said, you enjoyed what I showed you, and stay tuned because there's more coming. I've got quite a vision for this room, so it's going to be neat to see how it all comes together. So until we meet again soon, God bless you.